Welcome back to my channel. Yeah, today a little food talk. We talk over here today. Yeah, talk foolishness. Sometimes I have to talk little foolishness. So, yeah, it's the yamhead thing and the yamhead argument that I don't understand. But somebody sent me a video recently with a yam foot, and it looked like a real foot. And I thought, mighty God, what's going on with that with the food of today? The farming, I don't know what kind of fertilizer, whatever them are give these, the fertilizer that them are sell, is that what's creating all these strange looking yam food and all these things, yeah. But anyway, one question me want to ask for ages now, because I hear this argument keep going on about, them calling people yamhead. Yeah. And me trying to understand the real meaning, because me thinking that theory no make sense to me when them say that the woman is being played or look a fool by her partner and and all these things and so on. Yeah, can me ask Siri, because me always talk to Siri when me don't understand and me ask him. Yeah. And he says a female that's being played to look like a fool by her partner. And she's blinded in love and doesn't realize that she's being played. I saw one of them. So Siri tell me. So, no, me still not understand, because me thinking, but yamhead a good thing, because the yamhead no produce enough yam. I be thinking to myself, but me not rather be the yamhead than the yam foot. Yeah, me not rather be the yamhead than the yam foot, because the yamhead no, from what my understanding of the yamhead, if I'm wrong, don't tell me if but the yamhead no, in produce, in bear enough fruit, enough yam. And when you cut the yam, it bear again and again and again. So the yamhead is the best part of the yam. The yam foot no, you just cut it and sell it and then eat it off. But me not rather be the head than the foot. Yeah. Me no want be no man precare or whatever, but me not rather be the yam head. Yeah. Because, so that's what me say, me don't understand, that, yamhead thing what them a call people yamhead. Yeah. It don't make sense to me, that no make sense. Because at one point I think say, whether the person that carry yam on them head, when you have a basket full of yam and you carry it on your head, I think say, at first I think say for that they mean, but then me realize say, they mean say the person is foolish and them not, and they make them that individual playing them, I saw me get it in the end, but me still not understand it. I don't think that makes sense to me. Me still not understand it anyway. But I that me just in comfy, just share that little thing with you. Me I just put out that little video so you can see, because it was quite funny with the man. I showed the yam foot and I say,
And look here, I'm finding the ground. Foot, yam foot. You know yam foot? Well, it's a real yam foot. See there? See there? See there? I want to toe in the cook. I toe in the cook TikTok. I'm going to show you. I'm going to give you. I'm going to give you. Where want to put them? All right, well, it's Mr. Cross. What the foot? All right. You know what? I'm going to show you something. See that foot? I'm going to show you what I want, people. I'm going to take this thing off your team. I'm going to show you what I want. See that? Look here. Right size, you know? What do you want there, Rasta? What do you want there? See that? Well, all right, take it back out there. All right, we have to put the deal in. I'm going to water now. Watch it. My God, I'm going to say exercise now. Put it. Put it there. Go ahead, people. Yam food. At this near yam food here? Yes, man. Now, so sign of the times are everywhere. See there now? See there now? Yam start our foot. All right, people. Right now, I come from the farm. And look here, we find at the ground. Foot, yam foot. You know,